Hello, my realists, and welcome to Vishaun for Real. Today is Cooking with V, but I have a sous chef today. I have a special guest. Vivian is here to assist me in making a keto-friendly pizza. Are you ready to get your hands dirty? She said no. Okay, so let's get started. Now, before I bring Vivian back, I wanted to talk a little bit about the pizza crust that I will be making for this pizza. Now, it is a keto-friendly, low-carb pizza. It only has 2 grams of total carbs with 1 gram of fiber. Can you believe that? Also 62 calories, no sugar added, and it also is gluten-free. Amazing. Now, the ingredients that I will be using to create this pizza crust is pizza dough, is eggs and water, and that is it. Now, you can add olive oil to this mix, and the olive oil is to crisp up the crust a lot more. Now, of course, I forgot to buy the olive oil, but nonetheless, we can work with it. It doesn't matter. You can still make it, and it's going to be fantastic. So sit tight and stay tuned. All right, so let's add water to our 3 eggs, or alternatively 5 egg whites. We're gonna beat it up, and then we will add our hold the carbs pizza crust mix. Make sure you mix it up until it is smooth and liquefied. All right, so we're going to mix our pizza dough. Now it says that you mix it and it's gonna be liquid, and then we put it in the pan, and then it goes in this consistency. So you'll see like that. Oh, nope. Does it taste okay? You want to mix a little bit? Oops. All right, so we're going to grease the pan. Don't judge me. Yes, it is a brick of butter. Did you eat it? Oh no, it's a brick of butter. I don't have Pam, but I prefer to grease like this. Here, grease it. Here you go. You want to grease it? No, it's not to eat. Look. There you go. Grease. This thing might be a... I'm not gonna spread it too much. I'm just gonna bake it just like this. This is the first time I'm doing this, guys. So you're seeing it live for the first time like I am. Hopefully this turns out, because if I can buy something like this, it's low in calories, very little carbs, I can going forward, I can make my own pizza instead of ordering out, and it will be healthy. So let's see, okay? So I will let you know actually how good this pizza crust is. In the description below, I will put exactly where I got it from. So you will be able to purchase it yourself, and you can enjoy too. So stay tuned. All right, so while our dough is baking, let's talk about the toppings. First topping, the base will be pesto sauce. And then we're adding sun-dried tomatoes. And we're gonna add spinach, white onions, and sauteed mushrooms. I've already sauteed them, and I sauteed them in butter and lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. Cheese, we're gonna use mozzarella, pizza cheese by Black & Decker, Cracker Barrel. All right, so we're going to add our pesto sauce. Now, zoom in on the dough a little bit. So that's what it looks like after, this is one serving, guys, one serving. So I'm just gonna spread, oops. Now let's add our cheese. Are you ready to add some cheese? Okay, come. Let's add some cheese. Here, put your hand in. We're gonna add some cheese. Here. Guys, this is the first time she's touching like shredded cheese. She doesn't know what to do with it. She'll probably eat it. Yep, go ahead, eat it all. Let's see if you like it. Let's add some, oh, she's going back to the bag. Oh, add some mushrooms. I'm excited to taste this, guys, because this is the first time I'm actually making pizza, number one. Number two, this is the first time I'm trying a keto-friendly crust pizza. Now I'm gonna put some of the spinach on. Do you want to put spinach? Come, put some spinach. Let's go. Let's put some on. You're gonna keep it, or you're gonna put some on? All right, there we go. Gonna put another one? Here. No? Okay. Now we're gonna put some onions. Just a little bit of white onion. I think that's more than enough. Now, I'm excited to add the sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm going to be generous because I love sun-dried tomatoes. I'm so happy to make this. Oh, what are you doing? Instead of being my sous chef, she's just doing her own thing, which is okay. She's a baby. She'll learn eventually. I just love that she can sit here with me and I can do this with her. And I'm happy to enjoy this experience with her. So it's okay. She's in her own world. That's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to top it and finish it off with feta cheese. Doesn't it look so good? Do you want to help me? Come. Here. Put it on. Oh, you missed. Let's try it again. Put it on. Yeah! All right. So we're just going to top it up. Taste it. It's fine. And that's it. So now I'm going to put it in the oven. And let's see how it goes. I will tell you the truth. I will let you know how it actually tastes. And if I will be using this crust again. But take a look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Looks so good. And there we have it. Look at that. I know it's mangled. Don't judge about the mangling. But look at that. So let's add some oregano. Mmm. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm excited to try this. I hope it tastes as good as it looked. So let me just... I think it's a good start. So let's see. Okay, guys. You can't even tell that this is gluten-free. I'm not joking. You can't even tell that this is gluten-free. And it's there's barely any like carbs in there. It's a lot. I think it's about 2 grams of protein, and it's only 4 grams of carbs in this whole serving here. It tastes really good, and this pizza is amazing. I did that. I did that. I did that.